watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Number 1. USB Hub Adapter from UGREEN. Expand more ports to connect more. 6-in-1 USB-C to USB adapter features a 4K HDMI output port, SD and TF card readers, and 3 USB 3.0 ports. All hub ports can work simultaneously and save you the trouble of plugging and unplugging repeatedly. Mirror or extend your screen with USB-C to HDMI adapter to directly stream 4K UHD, Full HD 1080 pixels, or 3D video to HD TV, monitor, or projector. This USB-C to USB adapter adds 3 extra USB 3.0 ports for connecting multiple USB peripheral devices such as flash drives, hard drives, keyboards, mice, printers, MP3 players, and more. Built-in SD and TF slots easily access files from universal SD card and micro SD cards. Supports 2 cards reading simultaneously. With speeds up to 104 megabytes per second. Compact and lightweight, allows you to expand your laptop's capabilities while on the go. No need for a drive, just plug and play. This USB adapter is compatible with Mac and has a sleek aluminum finish perfectly complements Apple devices. The USB-C to USB adapter is compatible with almost USB-C devices such as MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, MacBook M1, M2, iMac, iPad Pro, Chromebook, Surface, Dell, HP. Number 2. Multifunction charger station from URVNS. 8-in-1 multifunction charger station with LED 1.8-inch screen, 8-port USB QC 3.0, USB-C PD, 20-watt and 10-watt wireless fast charging. Multiport fast charging of mobile phone and mobile power supply with large flow. 1.8-inch color screen. The color screen displays in real time, and the charging detection status can be seen at a glance. Multiple protection, voltage stabilizing protection, overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, leakage protection, overheat protection, over discharge protection, overcurrent protection. Thicker coil charges faster, speed up 60%, high-speed 10-watt charging, 1 step faster. Charging without queuing. The equipment has 6 high-current charging ports, QC 3.0, PD 20-watt fast charging port, and 10-watt wireless charging. Burning artifact. 1-second locking short circuit fault, burning, and short circuit repair. X expansion port. With the mobile phone boot line, you can detect the boot voltage and current. The bad line has nowhere to hide. Smartphone data line is good or bad, so that the bad line has nowhere to hide. Brightness adjustment. Back brightness of 1 to 10 levels can protect your eyes. Number 3. Multifunction mobile phone charger from 8 Global. Function description: 15-watt wireless charging, sleep lamp, sunrise wake-up lamp, atmosphere lamp, bedside lamp, dazzling light effect, audio, clock, alarm clock. Click the bulb button to switch 10 light color modes: solid color, 2-color horse running, 3-color horse running, 7-color horse running, and the other 256 modes and 16 million light colors can be adjusted through the linked app. Night light and bedside lamp. Dimmable table lamp controlling the light bar through the Happy Lighting app allows for infinite dimming, 0 to 100%, which can develop soothing light effects to help you relax your mind and prepare you for sleep. Through the key on the product, you can adjust 5 levels of light brightness, 16 million light colors, and 256 light modes for sleep, meditation, reading, relax, and more. Number 4. USB SD card adapter from UNI. Super speed data transfer. USB 3.0 brings you 5 gigabits per second quick and reliable data transfer speed between computer and your memory cards, 10 times faster than USB 2.0. An HD movie or large file can be transferred in a few seconds. Read and write simultaneously. 2 memory cards can be written and read at the same time. Transfer your data from one to another without transit. Plug and play without extra drive or software. Excellent compatibility. The SD card reader supports up to 2 terabytes memory card capacity, expanding the range of available cards. Compatible with SD, SDXC, SDHC, MMC, RSMMC, Micro SDXC, Micro SD, Micro SDHC, and UHSI cards. Special design. The compact and slim design will never block other ports of your PC. The indicator light of Micro SD card reader will show the working status. Number 5. Turbo 3-port charger from MINIX. Powered by the latest gallium nitride technology, it delivers ultra-fast charging speeds in a smaller form factor design compared to traditional silicon-based chargers. Perfected to work with both PD and QC charging protocols for seamless use with your laptop, smartphone, and all USB charge devices at the same time. Built-in foldable wall plugs, supports worldwide universal 100 to 240 volts and comes with UK, EU pin converters so that it can be used in virtually any country. Over current, over voltage, over temperature, short circuit protection. Dynamic smart detection. This charger automatically adjusts the power output of each port depending on the devices connected to it. Number 6. USB-C Multiport Adapter from Dell. Comprehensive 7-in-1 adapter with power pass-through. The Dell 7-in-1 USB-C Multiport Adapter is a compact and portable multiport 7-in-1 adapter that can connect to just about any device you have. Widest variety of ports, featuring the widest range of ports available. The mobile adapter offers seamless connectivity to various devices like monitors, projectors, headsets, keyboard, mouse, flash drives, and other accessories. Multifunctional USB-C port, with a USB-C downstream port that supports power pass-through, video and data. You can connect to a monitor at up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, get up to super speed USB 10 gigabits per second data transfer and 90-watt power pass-through to your laptop. Crisp 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Connect to high-resolution displays without compromising on performance, as the adapter supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Simply connect your monitor or projector to your PC via DisplayPort or HDMI 2.0 port on your adapter. Super speed data transfers. 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C downstream ports let you connect to other supported peripherals and enjoy fast file transfers up to 10 gigabits per second super speed. Innovative patented design. This portable multi-port adapter has the most complete variety of ports offered in a USB-C adapter. Lightweight and portable. It is just about the size of your palm, does not take up much space, and easily fits in your pocket or bag. Flexible cable management. Experience unique cable management with its patented design that keeps the cable concealed and protected when not in use. Easily extend or retract the USB-C cable by rotating the top and bottom cover of the adapter. Number 7. Motorcycle USB charger from BOOYUN. Motorcycle USB and Type-C charger. A motorcycle SAE to USB charger with an independent power switch can power or charge your digital camera, mobile phone, and GPS while you're riding. Efficient fast charging. Powered by USB-C and QC 3.0 fast charger ports can charge 2 devices at the same time. The built-in Smart IC can automatically adjust the output power of the device to achieve the effect of multiple protection. Even if your devices do not support fast charging, with a smart IC system, it won't hurt your battery and charge safely. Upgraded voltmeter and temperature LCD display. The color screen voltmeter displays the real-time voltage status and temperature of the vehicle's battery. You will know the health of your battery while driving to prevent potential safety hazards caused by bad batteries. The device's indicator light allows you to quickly and easily find the charging port in the dark. Improved waterproof capability. The waterproof design have been upgraded to ensure the capability is more tightened for better waterproof performance. No complicated installation, fully compatible with all electronic products with USB or Type-C interface. Examples include mobile phones, digital cameras, and GPS. Also suitable for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, RVs, SUVs, boats, yachts, and other vehicles. Number 8. Wireless charging station from Seenda. 6-in-1 charging station with wireless charger stand, built-in QC standard AC adapter, 9 volts, 2.7 ampere, 5 smart USB-A port and charger holder for AirPods and Apple, which allows you to charge multi-devices at the same time, compatible with all USB devices, smartphones, iPad, tablets, speakers, headsets, cameras, PSP, and more. The wireless charging stand adaptive charging modes give your device the power it needs, supports max 10-watt fast charging and compatible with all wireless charger devices. The charging distance can reach 3 to 8 millimeters with better sensing function, and dual coils design greatly improves the speed of induction and charging. Built-in intelligent chip. This charging stand smartly recognizes and provides the optimal charging current your device needs. Configured with 5 fast charging ports, each USB port can deliver up to 5 volts, 2.4 amperes max current at full speed. Great improves the efficiency compared with other charging stations offering 2 amperes or less. This charger station also implements a smart chip to regulate current and voltage in the safe range, with overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection, as well as foreign object detection function. It can prevent overcharging damage of equipment battery. The charging station organizer can charge multi-device in one place at the same time without bunch of chargers plugged into your power outlet and no more cluttered cables. With 4 detachable strong baffle made of sturdily strengthened ABS material for protecting your devices from falling. And the charging base with anti-slip silicone design so that the charger will not move or flip, to ensure that your phone is protected when charging. Number 9. External hard drive adapter converter from EYOOLD. Universal hard drive recover converter. Support 2.5-inch, 3.5-inch SATA HDD and SSD, 2.5-inch, 3.5-inch IDE HDD, DVD, CD-ROM, CD, DVD-RW optical drive. You can easily connect your hard drives through a USB port as an additional external hard drive to read and back up data, operate formatting hard drives, and transfer files. High-speed transfer up to 5 gigabits per second. SATA IDE to USB adapter data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second. Backward compatible with USB 2.0 1.1. It has a dual-head IDE connector plus one SATA 2 connector, which you can get all your hard drives combo. Support drive huge capacity up to 6 terabytes. Designed to be lightweight and compact, supports a hard drive capacity of up to 6 terabyte capacity. External hard drive reader has a SATA 3 connector and 2 IDE connectors. Wide compatibility. Hard drive to USB adapter support hot swapping. Universally compatible with Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, XP, Mac OS 9, 10, Linux. Work with Xbox, Western Digital, Seagate, Fujitsu, Samsung hard drives. Hard drive transfer kit included 12 volts, 2 amperes AC power supply, 4-pin power cable is designed for a 3.5-inch IDE drive and also comes with USB-C to USB adapter. Perfectly matches a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Chromebook, other laptops with a USB Type-C port. Number 10. USB-C Hub HDMI Adapter from MOKiN. USB-C Hub 5-in-1. Extend one 4K UHD HDMI port, 2 super speed USB 3.0 ports, 1 SD memory card slot and 1 TF memory card slot from one USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, Type-C port. 4K video USB-C to HDMI adapter. Mirror or extend your screen with USB-C Hub HDMI port and directly stream 4K UHD at 30 Hz or Full HD 1080 pixels video to HD TV, monitor or projector. Super speed USB 3.0 ports at full speed allow you to connect keyboard, mouse, hard drive to MacBook Pro, up to 5 gigabits per second data transmission speed, down compatible with USB-A 2.0 and below. Convenient USB-C to card reader for USB-C, Type-C, Thunderbolt 3 devices to access files from SD, TF card reader, perfect for photographer or designer. Aluminum case design, silver, perfect for new laptops with USB-C port, such as 2017 MacBook Pro, 2015, 2016 retained 12-inch MacBook, Dell XPS 13, HP Speeder X2.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.